We are finally back out in Santa Clarita. My bad, you guys been busy as hell with work, so yeah, no, ain't been no videos lately. Starting in the size 9 section right here, Pegasus Premium's $100. Zoom Fly is going for 80. Still got some of these, 95 for the Invincible runs, Invincible Run Flyknits. Vomero plus 110 right here. Jordan 1s, $80. This is a Zoom Rival Fly 50. Volt colorway Vomero 5s 80. This blue one right here 80. All kinds of colorways of these Vomeros go for 80. Calm Slide, these are Real Trees 40. Lakers Air Max Up Tempos go for 80. Jordan 2-3 60. Runners $50 in multiple colorways, $50. Seeing a lot more of these refurbs, which may or may not be a good thing. 80 or 78 for those. Rejuvenates $35. GT Hustle 3s $100. Got books going for 60, 70, and 70. Alright, I don't see anything that my kiddo would like in the size 9s. Okay, look at this. Dornbecker t-shirts. Dornbecker t-shirts right here, $20 normally, $45. Not bad if you have Dornbecker products at home, $20 freaking dollars. I see smalls, I see a meat. No, this is actually a really dope shirt. Look at this. So nice and thick. This is a refurb. $23. Look at that. Oh, it's like super thick. It's like really nice. They got small ones right here as well, and it actually feels like good material. That's what I'm talking about. 100% cotton. That's not bad at all. $20 for that t-shirt. Normally $45. Definitely didn't see any cotton shorts, unfortunately. Check in for some shorts right here. Damn, this color don't work though. And Nike does make 100% cotton shorts. You just have to look around. They just tend to be expensive. $55, 20 freaking bucks. But yeah, most of the stuff, running shorts and stuff like that. I actually see a lot of really dope soccer gear. We'll get to that in a sec. But we need to come here and check out the 10 and a halves. They got more and more of these Footwear 5s, 80 freaking bucks. Air Max 2017s in this awful color, $100. Air Max DNs right here, $50. $50 for Air Max DNs right here. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen these. Other colorways, $100. Blazers, $100 or $50. Got a bunch of these. The hell are these shocks? $100. They got these Jordan 3s right here, $100 for these bad boys. $100 for Jordan 3s right here. Holy crap. That's what I'm talking about. So much of the chlorophylls, dude. It's getting treated like the chlorophylls. That's what I'm talking about. Jordans for $100. Air Max 90, 60. Metcons 80. Rival Flies $50. Middle distance shoes. Pegasus Trail 5s 80. Got some trail running shoes. Right here's got my trails $100. What they talking about? $100. It's awful color. LeBron trainers right here, awful color, 60. 9.5. Look at this. SB Dunks. 80. 10.5 KD 70. 60 KD 4s right here. $60. Damn. Jordan Hairs going for 58. More KDs. 70. Zuma Freak, what are these, the 7s? 60. 80 for the LeBrons. That used to be crazy cheap. 60 for this colorway. Camo KDs right here. These are size 10, 80. Air Max 90. These are what, golf? 70. 10.5, 100. Interesting colorway. Definitely pops. Pegasus plus 100. Flight Courts 50. 80 right here. This is the Pro Strong. So the Team 1, so I bet Jumpman Team 1's $70. I don't see retros in the size 10.5, unfortunately. You see these Janowskis, 20 bucks, 20 bucks. Looking for green tags apparently, because that's the cheapest stuff. All right, let's go see what's up with this soccer stuff right here. What's this, a scarf? Scarves right here, US national team scarves right here, 15 bucks. Oh snap, my bad you guys, someone snatched up. There were like 4 US jerseys. I thought they'd be here for a minute. My bad. Damn, they had US jerseys. Landon Donovan US jerseys. They were normally $150. They were down to $60. Someone just grabbed all of them. Thought they'd been here for a while, so I didn't think fools would be on them like that. What the hell? Got PSG jerseys right here. 95 down to 40. Got them in multiple colorways, multiple sizes too. Got these blue ones. 100 down to 40. These are like, I don't like this. I like this. I guess, yeah, I kind of like this one a little better. I got another one right here. All Jordan brand. 60 bucks. Damn, I can't believe I missed those USA jerseys for you guys. My bad, dude. My bad. But dude got basketball jerseys right here. Booker T jerseys right here. 60 or 50 bucks. I was thinking about Booker T. Dude got Moran. I guess I watched some wrestling when I was younger. 50 bucks. Got small, got medium, got Hardens. Right here, 50 bucks. That's a small. Leonard, that's a small. Looks like they got some other sizes, double XL, a couple other smalls. Got these Clippers warm-up shirts, warm-up jerseys, something, I don't know. But 45 down to what? 45 down to 20. Dalton Connect jerseys. Where the hell was he, man? I feel like he didn't do jack this season. But yeah, 15 bucks. That's what we got. Luke Kennard. $15 for Lakers t-shirts. These are all smalls though. 15 bucks. What, LeBron t-shirt? LeBron t-shirt 08, 09. This is LeBron Cleveland t-shirt. 20 bucks. All right, 11 and above. We got Jordan 4s going for 80. Jordan 4 RMs, that is. As well as 70. Comfort Air. What the hell is that? I don't know what the hell that is. 60. Got plenty of the basketball shoes that we've seen on the 10 and a halves. Monarchs right here going for 40. Cortez right here 80. Got Dunks going for 80. Light Courts 50. It's colorway right here just not moving. 50 freaking dollars. Oh, these Jordan 1s right here, the super thick, the Elements, 100 bucks. These retail for 2. That color ain't it though. Got mids, some refurb mids. Oh, is that like a Christmas color on the 80 bucks? Trainers, 60 bucks. That's size 12, right? Didn't I? I don't know. But yeah, it's kind of interesting. Color right here, 70. Nisks, 50. You can find something like this, the Nike IDs. They usually price them way low, 60 for the Metcons. That color's not bad. A little bright, but not too shabby. If you don't mind, it's saying weed on it. What the hell? That is so stupid. And I do see some green tags. Look at the Superfly Elites. I think these are really expensive cleats, 50 bucks. And then 11 and a half, some Air Max 1 Golf right here, 50. 13 is just this one. And then there's like a couple. Are there even any 14s? I see all 13s. What the hell? This refurb right here, 80. Shocks right here, 78. Air Max 1 right here, 60. Jordan 1 right here, 57. Oh, that ain't Jordan 1, my bad. Freaking what, the big Nike low or something? Air Max 97, 80. Got these in all kinds of sizes. They're getting rid of them. Size 13s. What the hell are these? I don't know. Javelin throwing shoes, I think. Pole vaulting shoes. $14. $14. Kobe Elites. They're size 18, 100 bucks. And this used to be the dopest spot for bigger sizes. But yeah, just 13s. If you have size 13, they got a selection, but not much bigger. All right, let's take a look at some of these backpacks. Always look at these Nike. $30 for Nike Elite backpacks. Might be the cheapest I've ever seen those. RPM backpacks. These retail for $107. 40 bucks. Color's kind of whatever. Got the little mini duffel bags. 25, normally 62. Budget backpacks, $50. What the, huh? think that's a mistake. I think that's a mistake. Got more expensive. What the hell? What is it? Yeah, see, this is more like it. Probably like 15 bucks something. I was curious about these random socks right here. 22 down to 10 bucks. Oh shoot. Okay, got 3 of them. They're not super thick though. They got the Jordan Everyday. I'm not a fan of the Everyday. $10 down from 24. These Everyday Plus a little bit better. 22 down to 10. All kinds of t-shirts for $13. They got a $20 rack and 2 $15 racks as well. What the hell is this, man? Snacks? They like they want us to be athletes, huh? Don't they want us to be athletes? Why do they want us to eat snacks? What's going on here, huh? What's going on here? 25. They got some slack. Oh, like some slack shorts? Slack shorts? I don't know. Some dress-up shorts like the golf ones. These going for 30, normally 70. What's this? Tech pants right here. 30, normally 75. Good. Tech pack jackets, 70, normally 130. I see some Nike ID stuff right there, and I've told you guys this is the spot to get those. I'm telling you, they price stuff to go. $60 for Forces. Some Nike ID dunks right here. 60 bucks. Dunks right here. $60. There's a lot going on this one. Got some Air Maxes right here. Air Max 90s. Kind of interesting. 60 bucks. Black Blazers right here, size 7, 60. Blazer lows, 60. Kind of random. Some Forces right here, 60. Invincible runs right here, size 9, $60. 60 bucks. Dude, I might have to grab these for my kiddo. 60 freaking dollars. Hell yeah, 60 bucks. I grabbed a few of these for 40 a while back, but I don't think I'll find them that cheap again. I thought about it. $60. This is a hell of a price, but I'd rather try to get some New Balance for my kid. But yeah, that's hella cheap. 60 freaking dollars. So good. And then I just realized it comes with a dust bag or a drawstring backpack. Kind of cool. Kind of cool. Specifically just for the shoes. That's actually pretty dope. Yeah, $60. That's why I tell you guys, hey, make sure you guys check for the Nike IDs here. Nike by Use. Blazers right here. 60. Did I say Blazers? Air Max 1s. I was looking at this one. Blazers right here. 60. Size 13. And some smaller Forces for the women. 60 bucks. Some green ones. Right here. $60 size. These are no size 9. What are they smoking, dude? Yeah, these are size 13s. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys. This is the Invincible Run Flyknits. The Nike by You. The tags look way different. Tags look way different. Apparently, these are from Vietnam, not China. Wait, I almost missed this one right here. Damn, what green is that? What the hell? 60 bucks. Then, like I said, the bigger size, there haven't been that many. There are some Sabrinas here, but majority of the stuff, the biggest size for women, size 10. That's it, 10 women's. Used to have like size 12, 13. That was dope. Let's see what's going on in the women's section. Size 8, I think. What do we got? Pegasus Premiums, 100 bucks. Pegasus Plus, the same price. We got the Pegasus Plus in like multiple colors, 110, 100 bucks. Infinity Run Flyknit 3s, 80. Casual section right here, $80 for Jordan 1s as well as 270s. 270s, multiple colorways. Air Max 90, 60. Jordan 5s right here, 100 bucks. Showed you guys these a few weeks ago. Got them in all different kinds of sizes. Last week, 100 bucks for Shocks. Dunks, 80. They got Air Max 95s, 100 bucks, 100 bucks. 25 for the Asia ones. That is extended size because it's size 6. Women's 4.5 grade school. 25 is crazy. Got Cortez. These are 7.5, 60, 80, 80, 80. Got all kinds of 270s. I've told you guys to shop off season, so I'm gonna check out a couple of other what do I call them? Non-seasonal clothing. 120 for these. I know these retail for like 200. It is an XLT. So it's an XL for tall people. 70 for tech fleece. That is a medium. We saw these last week. ACG 60. Probably 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. Fancy sweater right here. $60. Holy crap! Holy crap! Tech fleece right here. I'm not the biggest fan of tech fleece right now because it's all polyester, but plenty of you guys like them. 70. Feels so nice, but it's not the best for me, at least. 35. Got a vest. Does this come with both? I don't think this comes with both. Yeah, the vest. I'm sorry, the hoodie. The hoodie is $50. The vest is $39.99. ACG jackets. ACG is always crazy expensive. 180 down to $60. If you need to be seen from 18 miles away, they got you with this right here, $60. WNBA, who's buying WNBA here? I don't know, they got you for $20. All right, not the longest video, I don't think, at least, but yeah, I'm gonna go pick up my kid as usual.